Hit it while it's hot. The Dude Mungus 3000.
The market.
Yo, Dude and Dudette, say what up. It's your boy Dude Mungus. I am just popping in real quick. One of my Patreons asked, what is my vlogging setup and what camera do I use, what microphone I use, how do I have it set up? So this video is something real quick, something I'm gonna start doing a little bit more often. Just if I can do something real quick, get to the point, get in, get off of it. That's kind of what I'm gonna do. So this video will not be long at all. So I am just literally about to go through what my setup is for my GoPro, what microphone I use, how I wire it, and then dude, we're done. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Also, real quick before I jump into this, I have to ask you guys, all my dude and dudettes, if you guys would please have your thoughts and your prayers with my sponsor, Crashmoto. He literally just lost his father. Now, I'm not telling you, don't bother him. Don't, try to figure out what the story is. This is not the time for that. Just leave him alone. Give him time to be with his family. Just have your thoughts and prayers with him. That's never an easy thing to do. So, Crashmoto, we here for you, bro. Whatever you need, just hit me. All right, let's go. I know this is a weird camera angle, but this is what I got. So this pretty much will work with any helmet you have. I personally like HJC helmets. They literally just, they fit me really well. So I have the HJC helmet, Alpha 11 Pro, and I actually use, you can see it there, I use Sugru instead of a regular mount. The Sugru worked better for me because I was able to kind of mold it how I needed to mold it. So I have Sugru for my mount. So I have my GoPro Hero 10 with the media mod. Legs fold out like this. Goes into the J hook, and then I just screw this thing in. And this is where I get my microphone to plug in. So it'll plug in literally right there. So the microphone I use is a Rode Lavalier Go. That's the mic I use. And so what I do is I literally, man, I hope the light is picking it up. So the microphone itself is in this cheek pad, and I literally run it through the helmet. It's really hard to see when you film it by yourself, but I run it through the helmet, the wire through the helmet, and it comes out on this side over here because I know this is the side that plugs into this hole right here. So that's how I run my microphone in there. I also am running the I think they call it the Enduro battery on my GoPro, and I also run a power bank. Let me grab that real quick. I also run a Anchor power bank that I keep on the inside of my jacket. I forget, I don't know if it says it on here, but I forget. Okay, so this is a 20,000 milliamp battery right here. And this will literally last me, if I just say we have an event that's a weekend, it will last me all weekend with this right here. So I'll plug it in like this. Then I plug it into the GoPro, the media mod. So you will have, it's really weird doing this. So you have the microphone that'll plug in here, and then the power bank will literally plug in there. And that's how I run my camera. And it keeps it powered all daggone day. Look, you see the camera literally just cut on when I plugged in the power bank. So yeah, it'll run all day long, no problem at all. And you can, I don't even know if you can see, well, it just cut off, but let me see if I cut it back on. So even if you don't have a battery, and that's not showing on camera. Dang. All right, but anyway, it's an indication saying that there's no battery. Even if there's no battery in here, the power bank will still run the GoPro, and that's how I run it. That's how I run it while I'm filming and motovlogging. Also, with the Rode mic, I have a piece of dead cat or wind muff over the microphone. That also helps block the wind from what's going on. But literally, it's just the microphone is in this cheek pad. Let me see if I can get my light again. There we go. Yeah. So the microphone is in this cheek pad, and I literally run the wire through here, through this back side, and it comes out. Uh-oh, I'm blinding everybody. And it comes out right here where you see this. So I'll show you a picture. Let me hook everything up, and I'll show you a picture of how everything looks once it's connected. So that's it. Let me see if I can shine my light. because I got horrible lighting in my living room. It is too cold to go in the garage. It's like 30-something degrees. Oh, no, you good. All right, you got the microphone plugged in. You got the power bank plugged in. And then this is the camera. And I always tell you guys, make sure you have enough room. You want to make sure you got enough room to tilt. Because on sport bikes, you're pretty in an aggressive position, so you need that room to tilt. If you're on like a naked or something, it probably won't be that bad. But yeah, man, that's pretty much my GoPro setup. This is the power bank. I literally just stuffed this on the inside of my jacket, and dude, you're good to go. So the only cable you literally see hanging out is this, and then you got this coming from the helmet, and that's it. So that's my Motovlog setup. Like I said, this video wasn't gonna be long. I just really wanted to show you guys what this setup looks like. All right, man. Oh, you can see me. Hello. Y'all keep rocking with your boy. You know what it is. One shot, dead shot. DudeMungus.
DudeMungus.
I keep getting stuck behind cars. Oh, thank you for moving over. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know why more people don't do that.
Boom shakalaka. Thank you for watching, dude. DudeMungus. DudeMungus. Thank you for watching, dudes. DudeMungus.